Emergency declared after volcano erupts in Iceland, creating major fissure and fast-moving lava flows. Iceland's meteorological office recorded increased seismic activity and earthquakes at the volcanic hill Sundakar days before the volcano erupted. A large fissure has opened up nearby, at the Sundakar crater north of Grindavik, with lava flowing both east and west. One estimate by the country's Met Office suggests the lava flow has traveled about 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. The nearby town of Grindavik has been largely abandoned since late last year, when nearly 4,000 residents were first ordered to evacuate. The most recent eruption on the Reykjanes Peninsula, home to some 30,000 people, ended on June 22 after spewing fountains of molten rock for 24 days. Volcanic outbreaks in the Reykjanes Peninsula are so-called fissure eruptions, which do not cause large explosions or significant dispersal of ash into the stratosphere. Authorities have constructed man-made barriers to redirect lava flows away from critical infrastructure, including the Svartsengi power plant, the Blue Lagoon outdoor spa, and the town of Grindavik.